Which fire extinguisher actually works in a kitchen fire? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most look the same, promise the same thing, and leave you guessing until it's too late. Today, we cut through the noise and show you exactly what to get. Product number 1, Prepared Hero 4-Pack Fire Blanket. First up, the Prepared Hero 4-Pack Fire Blanket. This red fiberglass blanket set caught my eye because it's designed specifically for kitchens and comes with 4 39-inch by 39 units. At around $60, it's on the pricier side, but you're getting a no-mess, no-fuss fire suppression tool that never expires. If you want reliable, long-term kitchen fire protection without maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Kitchen fires usually start small. Grease on the stove, a towel too close to the burner. This blanket smothers flames instantly by cutting off oxygen. And unlike chemical extinguishers, it leaves zero residue. That means no ruined cabinets or stovetop cleanup after use. It's CE certified, handles temps up to 1076 degrees Fahrenheit, and each blanket has a hanging slot so you can mount one right near your stove. Plus, since it doesn't expire, you won't have to worry about replacing it every few years like traditional extinguishers. Now, some people complained about the packaging being hard to open in an emergency. Here's the thing though, while the pull tabs are secure, they do require a firm yank. If you have limited hand strength or arthritis, this could be tricky under stress. That said, the trade-off is a safer, more durable seal that prevents accidental deployment. This is perfect for you if you want multiple blankets placed around the house, kitchen, garage, even the car. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a single unit solution. For peace of mind and zero maintenance, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Whirly 4-Pack Fire Blanket. Now, if the Prepared Hero's price gave you pause, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Whirly 4-Pack Fire Blanket costs just $23.59, less than half the price, and still delivers strong performance. These 40-inch by 40-inch white fiberglass blankets come in bright red storage pouches, making them easy to spot in a panic. If you want effective fire protection without breaking the bank, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Grease and liquid fires are the most common kitchen hazards, and this blanket handles both by smothering flames fast. It's flexible, lightweight, and can even be wrapped around a person if clothing catches fire. Unlike extinguishers, there's no fumes, no cleanup, and no expiration date. The larger 40-inch size gives you better coverage than smaller blankets, which is crucial when flames spread quickly. Plus, each pouch has clear instructions printed right on it. No guessing during an emergency. Now, some people complained the material feels a bit thin compared to premium brands. Here's the thing though, it's still CE compliant and tested to withstand extreme heat. While it may not feel as heavy-duty, it performs just as well in real fire scenarios. The lower cost means you can afford extras without guilt. This is perfect for you if you're outfitting multiple rooms or want spares for camping and grilling. Skip this one if you prioritize premium build feel over affordability. For the price, it's one of the best deals out there.
Product number 3, Prepared Hero 2-Pack Fire Blanket. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for smaller households. The Prepared Hero 2-Pack Fire Blanket gives you the same trusted quality as the 4-pack, but in a more compact setup. At $39.98, it's mid-range pricing, and each 40-inch by 40-inch blanket offers the same high heat resistance and mess-free operation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Not everyone needs 4 blankets. If you live in a small apartment or just want one near the stove and another in the garage, this 2-pack hits the sweet spot. It's still made with dual-layer fiberglass and a fire-retardant film, rated for 10,076 degrees Fahrenheit, and mounts easily on the wall. The red color and clear branding make it instantly recognizable, which is key when seconds count. Now, some people complain the pouch lacks printed instructions, unlike cheaper brands that include them. Here's the thing though, Prepared Hero assumes you've read the manual or watched a demo. While that's not ideal for everyone, the deployment is simple. Just pull the tabs and throw. Once you've practiced once, it becomes second nature.
This is perfect for you if you want trusted quality without overbuying. Skip this one if you need ultra-clear on-bag instructions or furnishing a large home. It's a balanced choice for urban dwellers and minimalists.
Product number 4, Mimier QER 2-pack fire blanket. Now, if you liked the idea of printed instructions but want something even more budget-friendly, this next one stands out. The Mimier QER 2-pack fire blanket costs only $16.99 and includes step-by-step directions right on the storage pouch. Each 40-inch by 40-inch blanket is CE certified, heat-resistant up to 1,076 degrees Fahrenheit, and leaves no residue after use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. In a high-stress moment, you don't want to guess how to use your safety gear. Having instructions printed on the bag means anyone, guests, kids, or elderly family members, can act fast. It's also lightweight, reusable, and doesn't expire, making it a low-maintenance addition to any kitchen. The bright red pouch includes a hanging slot, so you can keep it within arm's reach of the stove. Now, some people complained the fiberglass edges feel a bit rough initially. Here's the thing though, that's normal for fiberglass blankets and doesn't affect performance. Just avoid touching the inner layers directly and it's perfectly safe. The material is durable and designed for single use in emergencies, not daily handling. This is perfect for you if you want clear guidance and strong value. Skip this one if you need multiple units for different locations. For under $20, it's a no-brainer for first-time buyers.
So which one should you get? If you want maximum coverage and don't mind spending more, go with the Prepared Hero 4-pack. On a budget, the BXHY Noi or Mime AQR offer serious value. Need clarity in a crisis? Mime AQR's printed instructions are a lifesaver. Whirly balances price and performance, while the Prepared Hero 2-pack is ideal for smaller spaces. No matter your choice, having a fire blanket in your kitchen isn't optional. It's essential.